Hi, I'm Jacob Bird, and I'm a product manager here at OpenEye. Today, I'm introducing the 4-megapixel OE-C7094 and the 8-megapixel OE-C7098, OpenEye's latest generation high-resolution autofocus bullet cameras with smart compression technology. These cameras come equipped with a 2.8 to 12mm autofocus lens and true WDR to ensure crystal clear, high-quality video even in high-contrast scenes. High-intensity IR LEDs give your customers cleaner, crisper, and more vivid night shots even in the darkest of conditions. The adaptive IR technology reduces IR washout by automatically adjusting the intensity. Both cameras are IP67 rated and function down to -31 degrees Fahrenheit, making them a perfect fit for extreme weather installations. In addition, the OE-C7094 and the OE-C7098 can be fully powered over PoE and have available pole mount and back box accessories with conduit ports to maximize installation options. These cameras are plug-and-play with OpenEye Web Services recorders and are fully ONVIF compliant for broad compatibility across multiple recording platforms. OpenEye OE-C7094-AWR and OE-C7098-AWR. Simple installation, low cost, high performance.